Ebusian for my mouth akwaba eba Ghana Sem TVGH Mesrel. Like, comment, subscribe, and no notification no. So that anytime you post a video bit say we have some make Ebusian for ade ba kwa I think say dodo na ejitu mweni say eba no ye papa ye bibia ona bokre do hine Japan no ni sensema ya ka NPP mu no I say he has been given special and preferential treatment. It's a fact, but I mean, who doesn't know? Who doesn't know? Because I mean, Nyama, I didn't remember when people might be permanent. Or not in Japan, you're permanent. You would rather maybe sit him down and try to get him to reason with the group. But I mean, that's how power plays out. I mean, I dare Japan bet me a seeing scar bet me in minibi. And a party so the party in scar, yes, sir. And they say when two elephants are fighting the grass surface. But what the reason that me recorded video when they say it is I mean, this issue has eaten up to the extent say media for are also putting their mouth in now. Omanhene K Asante was saying, like I said, and Omanhene's view is they say NPP has over pampered Hon Ken in Japan. To me, in my not so learned view, that is my so not learned view. Media minim she, okay, mi akola. But when you look at the progression of events, I believe strongly say there should have been a time anka NPP, like I said, now you pulley break no. Now ye anka ye pulley break no at time ebia baby I do and no yanka yendu. I thought I like to use examples from the Bible. In the book of Genesis, I see serpent be and echo dada Eve. Yes, sir. Serpent maybe some small animal. I Genesis mono. Because we left that serpent, allowed it to grow until by the time I shares as serpents, the book of Revelation mono. Now I done dragon. Dragon ni tail unkwano et mystery 1/3 of the stars heaven. And most of the time, when we see the first signals, action and steps must be taken. When those steps are not taken, it emboldens the culprit. Say, oh, muye no more. Oh, ye no more. Obiante minkasa. Una osipi. Una osita. And that is where we have reached now. So today it has become very extremely hard for NPP to stand and let go of the man. Because whether you like it or not, or free NPP man, shaky kakra. And that is a truth that we must tell ourselves. So when I'm in Japan free NPP man, shaky party kakra. But to me, Anka, it is better. It is better now than ABI yako approach election. Yeah, so it is better now.
Me say the difference between the NPP and NDC sometimes is that the NDC they are able to cut the people to size. The party will be one, they will ignore you. Because I don't know. Politicians, I don't know. Politicians. Ken go. Ken must win. Ken must go. Now Johnny a boss. Now I say no a boss. Now I know the your party now. So there's too much indiscipline everywhere. Too much indiscipline. And then who write suku mua? A teacher for binim krano. If you are a profession. A teacher for binim. A nurse for binum, a doctor for binum, engineers for binum, just a bia parliament, a binum or mobile, or yebi, or mukasa, nyoma basa. There are no standards in this country again. Naka teacher need could do as a who coach in a science lab. Now I quite to trust same way and go the same way, and we are free. How? Eti yenhwe saa nyoma we nyina nka ho asem de biada day in day out na nyoma efefe enne football so abaya sofo adwuma. How is this possible? How also nyame dwuma no sebi obi ansi ukwa open ball up, nobody stops you. But the prediction that we do some and from question nyame sa prediction be na ka say England for him no mudi can share first goal e be show 3-1 say any can show first goal be show 2-1 say eno de ye ni nyina de agoro film efimi aka say mini pedua wo ma ye ne kwabna sante enya nyame na aka bibia kire me. So don't do that enkogu on when mass.
I don't get them now. Voice no cry ye dey ti when you say enwo say ye ma baba man gina park.
I don't get them now.
Ye gina park so ye bury na say
I don't get them.
Nipa no etie ne social media nipa ntie
I don't get them. The great commissioner they are two nyina so say yenko wiasa fra da nyina yenka nyame asem yentwe akra priority. Every true Christian, you don't need to be a prophet. You can do this here. It mean person in your mukwa be fra man do no mka say ye kwa America ko here ball no police for no omo ye tight omo ye straight omo bo madwuma etidien. The same police people they can do same here. It is your problem there is na pro everything. It here was saying no yetimi nya hwe. So the team employer, there are a lot of things that will not be happening in this country. So the team employer. So if they've not compromised, there are a lot of things happening today against it. But everywhere is compromised in this country. And now the major focus of the Ghanaian is Sika. Sika will be bia Sika. Oh, Smani Krako ministries, Koya Debe, Sika. Ministries wako do okra na odi ade ma secretary esika over kon wo fa de be sha se be etos be 3,000 ba ona di kan kwen ona ye competent ba won tue sika ya so dodo because ya to abawie. The ultimate responsibility of whether we are NPP or NDC is to make sure say Ghana will survive under whichever government. Now so too far so was a cropon and a summer boy and in cry too far so no NPP and NDC. Ye nyina no yam why who are buying be obeban so should pay attention. Now our buying that's it me over 500 million kwati or don him. Now still that's what that sati be anymore. What do we do? Enforcement. Enforcement. So I'm wondering why every day people think say, yeah, but the pan say, Bribia dan sem da yakana, kasasa. We wish everything was moving on right. That's our wish. And then Accra Kumasi Road Adani a River Densu. Adani River Densu. I'm a summer home some Adani River Densu. Oh, Pemaku and Mosino on the Konongo and Konaba. Eti dear pana, yeah, who are so mine. Omomuko came because Yamenko commerce and cry. And then, why is that sense of agency? Where is that patriotic spirit? Adiana who say ampa, your board national anthem, oh, to sa, Yanara Sasia, Momai who here, Ghana, my, oh, tour with that pride and that. Where is it now? Akwala nka penyimasem penyimu nka aklasem penyimu a omo ya kandifo no omo suban ne omo niye ene omo kasa ene omo nyoma bebre aginsem. So we have a problem Ghana for yentio because on mine na ya chichire nyoma egu yeso ye nim no ade a eda ye nim ni nyina no basket na eda ye nim na ye put nyoma gumsa no ye de anibre ye de kom ye de ahoya ye de ntro ye de nada ye de abufuo ye de nkontompo ye de ntwatoso ye de nyoma ensem fata and ye de gu basket ni ayama wi a na se sha se efifia emfifi suban bia outside what is in the basket o sa suban na edua o basket ni ma eno anabeba ye kwa ni mesre wona ya manyosem frontliners. Enough of the deception and the comedy. Enough of the deceit. Enough of the greed. Enough of the greed. Enough cry of the greed. Self-centeredness. So when you acquire a kotna a jumekobiano through what buy or whatsoever, it is not time to make money. And politicians, they are easily exposed. They are easily. Na say akua no mo ana ana onim sa. Ye no mo. Maybe some cars is 2478 just papa. Nobody talks because I'm not accountable to anybody, but you are accountable to me. Nyoma bi wo ho ase obeye obi a oye front line among yourself. There are certain restrictions. You cannot overlook it. That is why when people raise issues about chief justice exposure now, a cautious statement say careful. Because everywhere, if you are found, whether which you see and you see a myth, a broken pet, sa a huni a in a woman, you if you are found normal. But can you never know Sanko for we cry? Can never know. Army commander cried, and with the quite a cocoa crowd shall be a crowd on. So when we suggest that certain institutions and the kind of exposures that is easy accessing them, and yet at the Papa Maya, Montias, because mind the trust in your mother.
For my video, you never wrong.
When I watch your letter, say, what the command penny for say, who petition ubino. Ye bisa 50 million cross a fabla, na fat party, a fanto in Kunya, Ubenyabi. What the men fallet and I watch rush a blind envelope, and copper baby in two. Nan penny for and tenacity, ain't take you right decision in my end. Ekokana party constitution. Now, cast the constitution in a omoye French man and ka over this time party no mo pamo ye.
Fancy comedy. Na Canada Japan or her. And a chair will go to sell move for 2 weeks so. And a party for a running around looking for money to come and bail you. Sikana or unison or one. Want me and Tibi. And found be make sure say one spend it even dark. Say what Gina party nature would defend it. A dom now what you say ye need 5,000 and kotam and found be my party nintino. I was say will be an your license. A good party no. A domina no mu contribute 1 CD. A boa no. Edi be ye will send ye be ya. One to me uncle jail. A domina ye ni she ye be quatamo 5,000, $5 million, whatever that you are talking about. Omu 1 CD and a boa and omo de omu voice to me e kasamawo ama opposition party ni be fere yese eni kwan se yenchewo ya nkotum ene yiyo nipa na wodwene se wonu wo sikanti no e wo se wotimi kane wope onfa party ni ntwitwitwifo mu no wo ho wan bie na no ankasa bi amawo wan ti sika dodo na wodwene se owo no emfa bi mbeboa wo nipa na ene wo pese wo look down upon them because ebia obi a kire wo esikani no omo ene eta we kire. I don't know when na yen kasa Ghana youth ye besua fancy comedy say wo obusia ni ti say Canada compare Japan e wo fie no wo sika na o se on mawa abra ebre nyina wo bebre no wo bekoso abre Jamaa se mo de mo refi wo hu chese campaign na ye primaries na ni pakasa mo de ye in fact social media mo de mo anu tumu se mo hia followers ana because sa asem ya wo kano mentiase ke will be from kranko kasasa when they arrested you where was Kennedy Japan mama mbisa fancy comedy ye Kennedy na Yewra Brian kachire yese after 2023 election no onu ankasa sise ya antisika mana onko ye campaign ma NPP eye Kennedy ni na wo kasa we anase Kennedy ni ehi brana be ya no kire yen anana primaries elections na yakos wo de won follow ye the person you think is the one that can hand over money for NPP to move forward was demanding to be paid from the party that you think people did not pay dues before he would go and campaign. And I won't hear be. Won't hear you and I free. Jama short memory na Mahama kai no. E ya bo so obe kachire ye say onu na wasika. What is the essence of his money? Adia na NPP here from Canada Japan after all the contractor yet ya show on one kasane say ko na ko jine simpie so na ye campaign with NPP policy or see after contracts in the ministry, yes, and Chia Sika Hodo, Sika never free, free 1 cedi dues no. So one I want to you with you, sir, Konokotia. But embetna ha ene aha. Poor people are ya contribute to 1 cedi boa no. Edi yankasa ya voice ye dede ema ye yi wu free yi prison mu edi wu ba fie embedidi atem. What? Baby a Kennedy adura na wo dwene say. So on ne cry was say yen sisa na yendi na yembo nsem ma no. Ehwo na yeso yawo. Wa twi taxi wa hohoro nchansi before. NPP kuro ya ye fight for no. Time no all hohoro sana no o didi no. Na amount for to say yen na ye contribute ye 1 cedi but ye do party no nti ena ema Kennedy a Japan enne obedani millionaire in the NPP party. So don't look down upon us. Mo kan se many ye yadodo. Aden. Da ben na ye Ghana yen so ye besua se ohia enkyere se wa bodam ohia enkyere se wo ye kwasea obia benni na wadi nipu. So NPP ama Kennedy abenye sikenti no. Oni a yen fandi na yen sanka hye ne se wo fa Johnson fra na yen nom wo. Sika o kita o even fancy comedy wundi bida. Ye chi wo kotumu ya hu se Kennedy a Japan de nanu akama. Nipa na wo si se ye ka se ye nkotam 5000 ye nya bi no. Ya na ye te ha ye dede. E kama amansan nyina hu. E ma NDC for ferry e yi wo free prison mu. But no okura sika. Sika na wo dwene se wo kura nti no oye kwase ade bia yam pokotodwe na yam panacho okura sa sika ni nyina ba 2023 koye campaign osanse ye ntua neka from ye ohiafo na ye wo NPP na ye 1 cedi na ye be contribute ama. Hey, some of you samo koda anana mo sorry minimi ne ya ka kire wo ena minimi be ohwan na ebe hia wo ebo san kombo we kire wo. But se want me andwene ho a emba abontene mbeka. Emba abontene embeka. What? Emba abontene embeka. Because common sense ye ejuma, you will not even bring this out. Because not ho. Oto na wankasa wo fa mu 2 weeks. Ohiafo na gada money in the NPP. Ede be boa wo yi wu free prison so. What? 2023. Not ho with all the money. Ena yewura Brian say on bra na yenkoye campaign na wo san see yen tua neka ansa na wa ye campaign ade ma sa Kennedy na wo content comedy wo kan na say Kennedy foforo. Enti ni sika ni nyina o wono mfaso ne ne. Mfaso a NPP fo anya free mu eno ne. Ono na enye the most political person in the party awa back all the contract. Say kura na won pe Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia ni ahwe. Ni nyina da so gina say contract awa pe ayemfa ma no. Ena yesi ma yemfa ma ohia ni bi ebi ate se wo fanti comedy. Send the party can rely on other people in case he become like this. And nothing no NPP. And you still hope that the Kennedy that we have heard people talk about truly even have the money, if he has the money, wants to support NPP. Are you delusional? And a campaign ni kosono na wodi utie e de kwaye content. Because a would see the casema dia. One mama feriama or papa. The high time we learn to know people for who they are, the better for all of us. Nipanese on pewasem. Kennedy have demonstrated for everybody to know that he does not like NPP anymore. If NPP does not permit him to take the party and do whatever he like, so that he can tell you that's a wushu nya and ban the officer on pay jumamao. So what tired here and your designer wear and bow office compare on page you mama. That is what he wants to use NPP for, because they are not allowing him, or you're bitter. Now so babo antene bekasa. Who told you Kennedy will look at you and want to employ you? You are not organized than the DCE. Or catcher and send the shunye. And my name shatter the fee and famba. But no munina ne contribute 1 CD no and Emma NPP ebe jine baby a jina. Kennedy can go and face somebody and say me ye Jumama party now. She said mo name is Shebo. Now one signed it every year. Give me a contract worth of what? $4 billion. What say her? A year why Johnny delusional say they can. That Brian had to bribe to go and campaign for the party he has enjoyed the most contract from. Will even help you if he has the money. Please go and park somewhere. Whoever that has convinced you to come out and spew this, I beg you.